Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Toyota Steve. Thanks for taking a look at this quick video here. This is the 2020 new Toyota Avalon TRD edition. This is pretty awesome sporty vehicle, and I like what Toyota's doing here. For many years now, Toyota has had the Avalon in production, and to be quite honest, it's really appealed to older generation audiences. I gotta be honest, I don't remember the last 20-year-old that walked in here and decided to drive away with an Avalon, but I'm here to show you what Toyota is doing to revamp the new 2020 Toyota Avalon with the TRD edition. They redesigned it in 2019. Let's go ahead and take a look at the vehicle and what it has to offer. When trying to get an idea for what Toyota hoped to accomplish for this new Avalon, I read an article in which Toyota wrote, the 5th generation Avalon boasted a fresh new look for the 2019 model year, and for the 2020, that look gets even better with the performance-oriented Avalon TRD. This new trim expands on the already well-equipped 301 horsepower XSE grade with some serious sport-tuned upgrades. And with production capped at just 2,600 units, this full-size performance sedan is truly special. This isn't just any ordinary Avalon. Okay, so we're going to start with the Aero Kit on the exterior of the car. You see here this red pinstriped black surround on the base of the car right here. It's on the front and also on the sides here, and then if you curl around, you have this rear lip spoiler as part of the Aero Kit that's also black back here, which makes for a pretty awesome sporty appearance, but it also helps keep the car on the road, so to speak, with the sport-tuned additions made to this car. So if you have questions about it, let me know. Now, you guys may have heard that the Toyota Camry TRD has a new exhaust system, which the Avalon has as well. Back here, there's also a rear diffuser, which actually accentuates the Avalon TRD's unique catback exhaust. The new dual exhaust consists of 4-inch polished stainless steel tips and higher flow mufflers, and as a result, just like the Camry, it has a throatier sound both at idle and acceleration. You guys will also notice the blackout parts throughout the exterior of the car. You have the emblem right there, the rear spoiler. Notice around the windows right here are also blacked out. And as we get further along here to the mirrors, they are blacked out. Lots of black on this car, lots to love. The housing for the LED lights right here, also black around the trim, and then the high gloss grille that is blacked out up front here as well. We also cannot forget the red TRD logo that's a signature of the TRD edition. We cannot forget the beauty of the interior inside here. You see already the red on the mats down there, the TRD Special Edition carpet floor mats, the red stitching on the steering wheel and throughout most of this car. As we go up this seat here, you can see the red stitching right there on the sides, the red accent right there in the middle, and the TRD logos in the headrest. Moving to the back here, most notable are the red seat belts. These are awesome, by far my favorite part of the interior. Just every time you go to buckle up, you're just reminded that you're driving the TRD edition Avalon. I mean, just look at how awesome that is. Then, when you shift into drive, you have your signature TRD knob here with the red stitching around the entire thing, so enjoy. Let's talk about these rims and also the new braking behind them. So these are 19-inch matte black alloy wheels. They are wider and lighter than the rims you would see on the XSE model, which results in reduced unsprung mass, enhancing turning response and reducing the rotating mass. Behind these rims are beefier front brakes. The Avalon TRD has larger 19-inch front rotors and dual piston red painted calipers that provide increasing braking performance. So unfortunately, I can't get under this car just to show you, but this also features a new TRD coiled springs that actually lowers the ride height by 0.6 inches, while also increasing the front and rear roll stiffness on this car. The TRD-tuned front and rear shocks help improve the body control, and then just like the Camry, they put a 3-piece underbody brace that makes this vehicle a little bit more agile by reducing body flex to allow the suspension to work actively. Alright guys, so that's it. Thanks for tuning into my channel. I'll be brief here. The 2019 and now the 2020 Avalon is no joke. Toyota hasn't really done a great job as far as getting this vehicle out there, letting people know that it's there. So unfortunately, as a result, this still has a stigma around it that most people haven't really tried out or climbed over. I would definitely consider this car. It's an amazing vehicle, excellent ride, very quiet, high-performing vehicle, and even more classy and sporty with the TRD addition to its lineup. Come get it soon. Again, there's only 2,600 of these in production. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. My name is Toyota Steve. Please subscribe, like this video, and share with friends. I would love to see you guys back. Thanks again. Have a wonderful day.